A cold supper was eaten this evening in silence. Welcome to the Oregon Trail in Wyoming. Hi folks, it's Abel James. I thought it was pretty cool that on our travels right now, we're hauling our updated off-road wagon along the Oregon Trail. It just seems something like worth pointing out, I would say, that many people used to break their arms, wagons would get tipped over while they were fording rivers. You'd get dysentery, of course, and a lot of people would die on their way to go on what was the largest voluntary migration in North American Euro history, I suppose. But what's cool is you can still see the ruts out here from the old Oregon Trail. Let's lift you up. Quote you might appreciate, crossing the plains is one of the best methods ever thought of to find out the disposition of a man or woman. If there is anything good in them, it will crop out, and if they are mean, you will find that out for sure. Let's go down this way and check out the other parts of the Oregon Trail.